Hi class, it's Miss Savory, and today is all about ankles. This video will walk you through today's lesson. I'll introduce what we're going to do, share with you some objectives, and guide you through the warm-up. If you have any questions, feel free to ask or refer back to this PowerPoint, which will be posted in Google Classroom under today's All About Ankles lesson. So let's get started. For your warm-up, I would like you to answer the following questions in your journal. What is an angle? Where can you see angles? How do we classify angles? And how do we measure angles? Now, if you don't quite know the answer to these questions yet, that's absolutely okay. I just want to get you thinking and understanding what an angle is. Today we're going to learn all about this and we're going to do some exploring as well. So just think about it. What do you remember? What do you know? What have you heard? What do you observe? So just jot some notes down in your journal, and when you're finished, turn and talk with a partner to answer these questions and talk through. Today's objectives. Students will be able to define and describe the 3 different types of angles. Students will be able to create angles and explain how they know which type of angle that is. Students will be able to create a video to demonstrate mastery of the standard. So, what are we doing today? Here is a list of the following activities that you're going to be doing. You're going to use the online textbook to research and learn about the different kinds of angles. You're going to learn how to distinguish between angles and the types. You're going to play with the angle simulator to investigate angles. And you're going to create a screencast video using an online protractor. More of that will come later in the PowerPoint. Here are links to all the resources that you're going to need. Google Classroom is linked, the online textbook is linked, screencast website is linked, the online protractor is linked. You're also going to need your math journal, your pencil, and your brain. Don't forget that. All of these links will be posted in Classroom as well, and they're also, again, in this PowerPoint. So now you're going to show what you know. After you do all your research and you do all of your learning, you're going to take a chance to put that math brain to work. Okay? You're going to create a screencast of yourself creating 3 different types of angles with the online protractor app. I need you to make sure that you state the name of each angle and how you know how it's classified the way it is. Make sure that you're detailed, creative, make sure it's a cute one. If you need an example, you can follow the link right in this PowerPoint right here. The criteria for success, the rubric, which I'll be grading you with, will be in Google Classroom. And finally, you can submit your video link in Google Classroom as well. So if you have any questions, you know where to find me, you know how to reach me. Don't hesitate. This is going to be a great lesson. I really want you to take a chance and independently research and investigate what exactly an angle is. Make sure you've got it down because we're going to be using this introductory lesson for a while. This concept is not going away, so make sure it's solid. Good luck. I know you can do it.